Hello everyone, today we'll be doing the 11.5 which is token of Ethernaut and for this level we need to gain more than 20 tokens. So we will beat this level. So let's read it. So Pragma solidity 0.6.0. It's 0.6.0, remember that. And now let's go with the contract token. It's mapping of balances and total supply, etc., etc. The main thing is the function transfer. So when this function is like require balances message dot sender minus value more than equal to 0. So if I have 20 and I have to send a 10 to a different address, so I can do it easily, and because 20 minus 10 is more than 0, so the balances will be added on the 2, which is the 2 address, and message.sender balances will be deducted. But this is the solidity version 0.6.0, which means it does not check for the underflow or overflow errors. From what I mean is like this is a contract. What the thing with happening is yeah, so thing that is happening is the problem of pragma solidity 0.6.0. So u in 256 goes from 0 to 255. But the main problem is that this version does not check other things. Like if I do 0 minus 20, my answer will be 235. How? Because if it goes below 0, it will bounce back to 255, and then it will be 235 or 236. I don't know precisely. But what is happening is it is bouncing below 0. So when it is bouncing below 0, it is unchecked. It should be checked. The latest versions of Solidity do check it, but not the older versions. So like I have deployed this contract here, you can see it, and I will interact with this one. So if I show you the number, it is 0 right now. And if I subtract and recall the number, it's 236. Yeah, it's 236. And if I add, it will again go to 0. Why is it happening? When I subtracted, it went to 250, 236, and when I added the same 20 in 236, it came out to be 0. Only the numbers from 0 to 255 are recognized in the uint 8, which means you cannot go to negative integers. And also if you go above 255, it will bring you back to 0, and if you go below 0, it will get you to 255. So the thing which is happening here is that when balances, we have 20 here. Balances.message.sender, they have told that it's 20 tokens. But if I put the value here to be more than 20, it would still be more than equal to 0. So let me get a new instance and I'll show you how. Okay. So just a second, yeah. So here I'll show you contracts ABI. Let's see that. Oh, 1 second. Await contract. Here it's the ABI, and here there are the methods balance of, let's call balance of first and Nova balance. So it is await contract dot balance of, and now we'll enter our variable, which means our own address. So it is address, it was, I guess. 1 second. It was address, which gave me mine. Just a second, guys, just a second. It was get balance. It was player right now. Player. So token here. So I can go with contract, or I can directly type player. Yes, it will work. So here I have to type player, and it will give me my balance, which is here you can see in the array it's 20. So my balance right now is 20. So now I will call the transfer function and address to, let's say it's the contract's address. Let's take the contract's address. So 1 second. So what I will do now is await contract dot transfer, and here I will type address to, so I'll take the contract's address, I don't care. And then the value here which I will type is, let's say, 30. And if I now send this transaction, I will confirm it, and let's wait for the confirmation. I guess, yeah, it's confirmed. So now again, if I go with contract balance of player, now you can see our balance is so much, right? So we have passed this level. Yes, so we have passed this level, you can see. So the main problem here was overflows are very common in Solidity and they must be checked, especially below the version 0.8.0. And Safe Math library developed by OpenZeppelin does this work. So yeah, here they have also given the example. There's a overflow. So if you are using Safe Math, then the code will revert. And in new versions also the code will revert. Otherwise, in the version 0.7 or below, then there will be a overflow or underflow error, just like I showed you. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you have any problems, do comment it down. Thank you.